Breaking news, guys, I see people doing this all the time and it's a big mistake. Believe me, if you guys want more views and more engagement on your videos, then stop doing these two things. Hi guys, my name is Paul Gillespie and I help people make money online. But like I said, guys, here are two things that I see people making this mistake over and over again, and that's why they're not getting interaction. Do me a favor and please just tap the screen, show me a little love. Guys, if you stop doing this, you're gonna get real good engagement and plenty of views. You're probably gonna wanna save this for later so you can go back to it as a reminder. So guys, the main challenges with TikTok is getting the views. Why is TikTok not pushing out my content? Stay till the end of this video because I'm going to give you the two reasons why you're not seeing engagements and how you can improve things. So here are the two things that you got to stop doing to increase your engagement. Number one, guys, you got to stop using hashtags like FYP and viral and ones like that. Guys, the algorithms pick up that you're trying to cheat the system, so stop putting these hashtags and you will see more views and more engagement. And number two, guys, you're saying the same thing that everybody else out there is saying. If you want to stand out in the crowd, you got to be original. You got to come up with hooks that will keep people engaged in your video. Guys, hopefully you found that really useful. I know it's helped me a lot with my views and engagement. So guys, if you haven't already, just give me a quick follow. I would really appreciate that. And guys, if you want more information like this and any help and any information, just type yes in the comments and I will gladly give you all the information. Know your value.